Right, it's Wednesday, October 30th, just following up on Lilly. There's about 15 minutes to go before the close. And you can see here, after buying it at the blue line, it has moved up close to the 840 area. Bought it at 831, 11. Lilly 831.11. That was kind of a secondary trade here that I discussed on the earlier video. Moved up, had an early pullback, green bar. Now kind of it's worked up to 840. So close to 10 points here to the upside, and with a little just 15 minutes to go, I don't think it's going to get to the highs of the day, but it had enough, there's enough volatility here for a little bit of a secondary trade. So that's what it is. It's a little tricky environment with the market overall, very mixed. Here's the SPY. Again, it's kind of started back down a little bit, but then immediately went up on bar two, had two pushes up, and then it kind of settled in for the day. We're still in this big trading range. That's why it's very tricky, to trade this whole thing. I've discussed the SPY, how this is the top of the range. It came down to the bottom, and then it had the inside bar back up to the top, and we're stuck right in the middle of this whole area. So that's why it's very choppy. A lot of directional moves aren't really developing today. Today it started kind of down below the midpoint of the prior day, but immediately moved up. So you're a little bit in conflict there in terms of, you're at the bottom of the range, but yet you're starting kind of low to get a significant move up. I guess it could have continued strongly green on the day, but structure-wise, it just took two pushes up before it eventually then settled in a little bit. And, we're going to close right in the middle of the range. The weekly chart also is just kind of just sitting there inside of the previous week. So, the trend is up. I can't get excited about, the up moves when things gap down too much, and I'm not excited on the downside yet because the weekly chart hasn't broken down. So that's why, I'm just waiting for better opportunities here on these indexes. But there are some individual stocks that are having their own unique charts. And today, I decided to go with Lilly here on the big gap down that I just wanted to see how that market would react. It brought in strong buying, kind of then a pullback, and a little secondary push up to end the day. So that's it for today, and we'll continue to watch the markets for the rest of the week.